Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 18th through September 1st. For August 18th to 22nd, the pattern remains generally unchanged. We still have above normal heights here across Canada, a trough or upper low here off the west coast, another trough over the east, and a strong ridge over the Four Corners area into the southern plains. Okay, this upper ridge will cause remain in place into early next week and maintain hazardous heat and hazardous heat indices that'll extend all the way to the southeast. And the upper low over the eastern Pacific will bring cooler and unsettled conditions to the northeast, to the northwest, that is. And we'll look at that at the surface. So we have some precipitation, not a lot, not a whole lot, but bringing precipitation in to the northwest. And an upper trough will push across the northeast. You can see it here, and that'll bring heavy rain and thunderstorms possible across the eastern and central states into next week. Okay, we're going to look at the pattern for August 23rd to the 27th. And the pattern remains, again, unchanged, still above normal heights here. Trough, strong ridge here, 594, possibly approaching 600 dm. Here across the Four Corners and the southern plains. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here and for this region, and the probability of currents or the anomalies are forecast to be about 2 to 4 degrees below normal. Above normal precipitation forecast here with anomalies of 10 degrees above normal, mainly across this or where the red is right there. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35%, and we have below normal precipitation for this region here, probability of occurrence 35%. We're going to look at the period now for August 28th through September 1st. As we go into meteorological fall, we still have not much change in overall flow. Still have above normal heights across much of North America. You can see here we have a trough here over the northwest and northeast, strong ridge here. The GFS continues to indicate a zone of flow above normal heights, but the strong ridge over the southeast, and also off the western Atlantic, both approach at 600 dms. So we have to see how this materializes. If it does, it'll be extreme heat, I think, for a large portion of the country. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies being near 10 degrees above normal, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Below normal precipitation for this region, probability of occurrence is 35%. We're going to look now at Burl. I keep saying Burl. We're going to look at Ernesto. Okay, here is satellite presentation. There is some indication of some drier air trying to work into circulation. You can still see a little bit of an eye. And we're going to look at the latest advisory as of 2 p.m. And that is, it's at 5 p.m. Okay, we got the latest. It came through. It is at 26.1 north, 68.9 west. Maximum sustained winds are 85 miles an hour. Cat 1 hurricane movement is towards the north at 13. Now, this movement is forecast to continue as the thing remains the same as it moves through the weakness in the subtropical ridge and the trough to the west. But the first trough misses it, but as the next trough moves out, this will cause Ernesto to accelerate. You see here as we get into next week, and that should cause it racing out. It should remain out to sea, but it probably will affect Bermuda. And we'll take a look at the rainfall amounts to see if we can get any observed rainfall. Oh, that's observed. Okay, no, we want forecast. Okay, day 1. Okay, day 2. Because so far out. Day 3. And it starts affecting Bermuda here. You can see it starts getting into the heavy rainfall. Now, we're going to look at, let's see if we can get a storm surge. Okay, nothing's coming up on that. Let's try to go to National Hurricane Center site and see if anything comes up there. No, they don't have storm surge in there. Okay. All right, so now we're going to look at where the forecast models take the system and see if there's any change from yesterday. Okay, here's our Nesto, Category 1. And now we're going to start displaying the models. You seem pretty well clustered so far, moving to the east-northeast or north-northeast. Even the ships has that. We have some going further to the east. They're pretty well clustered. We always have one outlier. This is an outlier, looks like right now, where it goes right into Maine. That we'll have to wait to see. But the majority of the models you can see go to the north-northeast. And let's see if we can get... Oh, we'll check the HMON. I just thought I saw it. No, the HMON is north-northeast. We'll see the other models. North-northeast. The official east-northeast. See the UK. East-northeast. The nav gem. So it seems like they're pretty much, the models are pretty much in agreement where the system, where it should go. So you can see it's to the east-northeast, except for this one model, the X-Trop goes due north. Doesn't have a turning off to east-northeast, but we'll see how that goes. Anything could happen there, but there was like some drier air moving in and cutting on the intensification. But I think with the favorable water temperatures and the less shear, should allow it to intensify regardless. Okay, so that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 18th through September 1st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.